So another thing I didn't expect was for Kalicube to really help me to unearth, to uncover data that would be helpful for me to go out and to clean up, to fix, to whatever it was, whatever the situation was. And so what we did is we went through a process where we worked hand in hand because, again, one of the things I like most about the Kalicube service is, out there you've got these do-it-yourself models, and then you've got done-for-you models. To me, Kalicube is more of a done-for-you model. Now, you have to work in partnership with Kalicube. So it's kind of like you're walking like through this process together each and every step of the way. But again, they will provide you data, but you got to do your part. It's kind of like this. I'm obsessive about putting together win-win deals and win-win relationships. And that's what Kalicube does also. They're creating a win. But the thing is, I know at the end, I'm going to win. Now we're going to set it up so you can win also, but you got to do your part. And it's the same thing when building the Google Knowledge Panel. You're going to have to do your part. Kalicube is going to give you everything that you need and hold your hand through every step that they can in order for it to be successful. But at the end, you got to do your part as well.